1000 watt, 1200 watt off-grid pure sine wave solar power inverter, has an inbuilt latest toroidal transformer. The transfer efficiency is more than 85% and the switch time is less than 5 milliseconds. Solar inverter 1000 watt supports GL, SLA, AGM, lithium battery, 30 ampere mppt solar charger, 15 ampere AC charger, AVR stabilizer, and intelligent cooling system. Built-in RS485 communication port, used for Wi-Fi. 12-volt, 220-volt inverter has 4 smart working modes, and is suitable for the home mini solar systems.